Yo, what's up everyone? It's Ajay and welcome back to the channel. Now, I know a lot of you are graduating soon and you're probably wondering what's next. What skills do I really need to make it in this economy? We're gonna unpack all that today. Is it enough to just have that degree? Or are there specific skills employers are looking for? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious to see what you guys think. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 skills every graduate needs to master. We're talking real-world applications, the pros and cons, and how these skills can shape your future. Stick around till the end because you definitely don't want to miss this. First up is critical thinking. Now you hear this one everywhere, but what does it actually mean? It's about analyzing information objectively, breaking down complex problems, and coming up with creative solutions. Think of it like this. You're building a smartphone app. Critical thinking helps you understand your target audience, anticipate their needs, and design features accordingly. It's about thinking beyond the surface and asking the right questions. The advantage? Critical thinkers are problem solvers, and that's valuable in any field. The downside? Well, it takes effort. You're constantly challenging assumptions and digging deeper. But trust me, in a world saturated with information, this skill is your superpower. We live in a data-driven world, guys. From social media trends to financial markets, everything generates data. And that's where data analysis comes in. This skill is about collecting, interpreting, and presenting data in a meaningful way. Imagine you're a marketing manager. Data analysis helps you understand customer behavior, identify successful campaigns, and make informed decisions about future strategies. The advantage? Data-driven decisions are more likely to be effective and impactful. The challenge? Data can be overwhelming. You need the right tools and techniques to extract valuable insights. Chapter 3. Communication skills, your secret weapon. You might be a tech genius or a financial whiz, but if you can't communicate your ideas effectively, it's like having a Ferrari without knowing how to drive. Communication skills are about expressing yourself clearly, both verbally and in writing. It's about active listening, understanding your audience, and tailoring your message for maximum impact. Think about it. A software developer needs to explain complex technical details to non-technical stakeholders. A designer needs to pitch their creative vision to a client. Communication is key. Chapter 4. Project management, from chaos to control. Remember those group projects in college? Yeah, project management is like that, but on a larger, more organized scale. This skill is about planning, executing, and completing projects on time and within budget. It involves setting clear goals, managing resources, and keeping everyone on track. Whether you're launching a new product or organizing a marketing campaign, project management skills are essential for success. The advantage? You become a master of organization and efficiency. Chapter 5. Digital literacy, your passport to the future. We're living in a digital world, people, and to navigate it successfully, you need digital literacy. This goes beyond just knowing how to use social media. It's about understanding how technology works, being able to adapt to new tools, and staying safe online. From cybersecurity to cloud computing, digital literacy is essential for almost every industry. The advantage? You're always ahead of the curve, ready to embrace new technologies and thrive in the digital age. So, those are the top 5 skills that I believe are crucial for any graduate entering the workforce today. But this is just the beginning. In my next video, we'll be diving even deeper into the world of digital literacy. We'll explore the specific tools and technologies you need to master to stay ahead in this digital age. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. And don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Which skill do you think is the most important for graduates today? Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, peace out.